We're looking here at Unit 4. I hope your day is going well and just wanted to give you a little introduction to what we'll be working with in our unit. So the unit starts off by a continuation of talking about the creative process and what's involved with that, why it's important. Right, so you can see our objectives to explain and analyze myths of creativity and to evaluate how elements of the creative process affect the process. So the activities we're going to read, review, and engage with the readings and resources. We're going to actively participate in the unit discussions. We're going to actively participate in your group discussion associated with the Unit 5 group assignment, which we'll touch on in just a minute. And we're going to create and submit the weekly journal. So the first part, just like in the earlier units, is your readings are here. There's also a video for you to take a look at. And then after you finish that, there is one supplemental resource if you want to go into further detail in that area. Then we have our discussion board. So once again, that's an element we're used to seeing as well. The new element this week is you should be able to go out and see which group you've been assigned. I just randomly assign individuals to groups, and part of your work in your group is going to be related to this unit. But this unit's work is really just to help get you set up because there's an assignment in Unit 5 that you're going to work on. Right, so if when you get to this point, open up this team assignment, and that gives you the information here on the Unit 5 team assignment. So just read through that, particularly take note of, at least if it was me, the grading rubric, because that way you can see as you're planning and working through the group project, you're aware of how it's going to be evaluated. And I've tried to stick really close to the grading rubric. So if you match what's required there, then you know you're going to meet the requirements. And then the last thing, just like we've been doing, is your weekly journal. And just as a reminder, the weekly journals are going to be graded at the very end. But this is kind of your chance to talk about and document not only for the class, but primarily for you on how you can understand what we've been working through in the course. So it's a good reflection period. And that's really what's involved with Unit 4. So I hope you all have a good week.